In which city of the United States the headquarters of Google are located? No.
Mountain View, California.
Good. What is the name of the first spacecraft that reached the Mars?
Viking 1.
Gita is the famous folk dance of in which state?
Punjab.
Which is the largest district of India by area?
Gujarat.
Which is the second most regional language in India?
Bengali.
Come here. In which class do you study? The famous classical dance Bharatanatyam is located to which state? Name the pass located between Nilgiri Hills and Annamalai Hills. Which country shares the longest boundary with India? Which is the most spoken language in the world? Name the gulf between India and Sri Lanka. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life?
Kangaroo rat.
Which city is called the fruit basket of India?
Himachal Pradesh.
Which is the largest city of African continent?
Cairo.
Which city of the United States the headquarters of Google are located? Class we study. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India?
नहीं बहादुर सकते हैं बहादुर सकते
Who was the author of Humayun Nama? Close to me. Who was? Which Gupta ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? Which chemical element is commonly present in common salt?
सोडियम क्लोराइड क्लोरीन
Chlorine. Which animal can live without water for lifetime?
कंगारू रैट
In which country women are not allowed to drive?
सऊदी अरब
Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate?
इब्राहिम लोधी
In which class do you study? Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate? In which country women are not allowed to drive? Which animal can live without water for lifetime? When did first internet connection start in India?
14 August 1995.
Which metal was first used by the Indus people?
Copper.
Who was known as the Indian Napoleon?
Samudra.
Who was the first Governor General of India?
Lord William Bentinck.
Who was brought to Delhi in 1638 by which Mughal emperor? Who is considered the greatest ruler of the Mughal Empire?
Akbar. Mughal Emperor Akbar.
Who was the last emperor of the Mughal Empire?
Bahadur Shah.
The first battle of Panipat fought by Babur and
Ibrahim Lodi.
when did the capital of India shift from Kolkata to New Delhi?
1911.
Who was the first president of Indian National Congress?
Umesh Chandra Banerjee.